Hello friends, my name is Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, in this video we are going to learn about the speech sounds of English. Friends, we won't speak English, but we don't know the sounds of English. And without knowing the sounds of English, we try to speak English. That is not good for us. So, at very first, we should know the sounds of English and then we should try to speak in English. So, other when we are communicating with our friends or with relatives or with anyone, so he or she can understand our language. So let's we learn the sounds of English. What the sounds are in English? Like purr, kurder, and turder. These are the sounds in English. Let's see the first sound, the purr sound. This sound is in Marathi purr, but in English it's not the purr. The purr sound is in English, and like that we have to know it very well about the sound. With the sound we can speak language. Okay, so the first sound is purr. It is purr. Let's utter the sound after me. Purr. Okay, purr is a bilabial plosive sound. Okay, two lips close with each other or two lips contact with each other and then sounds will be produced. That sound is purr sound. Like pen, pen. You say after me please. Pen, pen. Good. Spell, spell. Pond, pond. Port, port. Tap, 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 tap. Good. Shop, top, top. These are the pronunciation of the sound. Okay, let's see the b sound. In English, b sound as about, about. B, b. It is vibrate sound. B, b. About, about. Ball, ball. Bat, bat, bat. Tab, tab, tab. Cab, cab. Lab, lab. Mob, mob. Okay, so these are the pronunciation of b sound. Okay, we learn p sound and b sound. Okay, p like pen, pencil, tap, cap, map. Then b sound, ball, bat, tab, cab, lab, like that. Okay, let's see the next sound is k sound. K, k. Like cat, cat. C-A-T, cat. K sound. K, k. You say after me. K, k. Cat, cat. Yes, cat. Okay, then corner, 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 corner. Then next sound is like fight. You can see lower lip and upper teeth. They connect with each other and then sound produced like fight, fight. Okay, fight, fight. You say fight, fast and furious, fast and furious, fast and furious. Okay, then next, festival, 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 festival. Then Fevikwik, Fevikwik, Fevikwik. Form, form, cuff, cuff. The spelling is different. C-O-U-G-H, cuff, tough, T-O-U-G-H, tough, 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 cuff, cuff, cuff. Okay, so like that, these are the pronunciation of the f sound, this sound. Okay, you say after me so you can practice your sound. Okay, then like this. It is v sound, like van, van, van. You say after me, van, van. Then where, where. Voice, voice, voice. Very, very, very. Wage, wage, wage. Okay, see, these are the pronunciation of v sound. Okay, now let's see the next sound is th sound, th, th, like thin. You say after me like this, thin, thin, thin. Touch your tip of the tongue to the upper teeth. Thin, 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 like that. Thin. Think, think. Throw, throw, throw. Thought, 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 thought. Okay. Bath, 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 bath. Tooth, 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 tooth. Okay, then path, 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 path. Okay, the next sound is t sound, t. It's like time, time, time. Touch your tip of the tongue to the alveolar, like t, 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 t. This tip of the tongue touch to your alveolar. It is close to the upper teeth. Yes. T, 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 t. Okay. Time, time, time. You say time. Okay. The next, title, title, title. Tap, tap. Tip top, tip top, tip top. Then target, 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 target. Okay, then temple, temple, temple. Then cut, cut, cut. Then let's see the next sound of English sound. The, it is that, this, this, that, those, 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 there, there, there. Okay, let's see the next sound, like doctor, doctor, dog, dog, decide, decide, demand, 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 democratic, democratic, democratic. You say after me so you can practice your sound. Democratic, democratic. Then, okay, so these are the pronunciation of the D sound. Let's see the next sound is S sound. Surgery, surgery, surgery. Then pass, 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 pass. Then soup, soup. Then scent, scent. Then school, school, school. Sport, sport, sport. Then task, task. Okay, so these are the pronunciation of the S sound. Then let's see the next is Z sound, like zoo, zoo. Then days, days, days. Then Xerox, Xerox. Then is, is, was, was, has, has. Okay, so these are the pronunciation of the English sounds. So these are the pronunciation of the English sounds we learn in this class. In next class, in next video, we'll see the next part of the English sounds. Okay, till then, bye.